Parents don't always have all the answers, and teachers can't be there for every late night, every weekend of studying. But what if every student had a tutor who was? Meet Flexi, a free AI tutor from CK12. First, Flexi gets to know the student, their grade, what they're into, even where they want to go. So every answer fits how they learn. Ask it anything, like, what is photosynthesis? You get a clear answer. Then tap other sources to see it backed by a real expert-written CK12 lesson. Not just an AI guess, the real thing. Say, draw me the structure of a leaf. And Flexi shows a diagram checked by actual scientists. Because a wrong picture teaches the wrong thing. Still fuzzy? Hit the 3 dots. Analogy explains it with something they already love. Translate puts it in their language. Rephrase makes it even simpler. Their way. Until it clicks. And tap Major Related. Flexi shows how photosynthesis matters if they dream of being, say, a marine biologist. Suddenly, it's not just homework. Stuck on x squared minus 4 equals 0? Flexi walks through it, step by step, then hands them a fresh one. Hit Challenge Me, try it, and if they're stuck, Help Me Solve breaks it down. Like a tutor sitting right next to them. Want to learn something new? Just say, I want to learn the human genome. Flexi finds the lesson, asks if they've seen it before, and walks them through it, checking they get each piece. And they don't have to type it all. Draw the equation, snap a photo, upload an image, or just talk. However it's easiest. Homework? Say, show me my assignments. Flexi pulls them up, warms them up on exactly what they're shaky on, then they practice. Big test coming? Test prep builds a plan in the fewest questions possible. And anywhere on CK12, highlight a sentence that's tripping them up and tap Discuss with Flexi. Help right where they're reading. No more stuck. No more figuring it out alone. Just every student, their questions, and a tutor that's always got their back. That's Flexi, and it's free. Start at flexi.org.